Hey guys, so I got two CDs to open today, so I believe these two CDs finish off my streak of Police and Genesis / Phil Collins albums that I've been getting in recent times, but I might be wrong. So, let's see what I got today. So, starting off, we have Genesis Self-Titled. Interesting that it has a little write-up there on the back of it. Apparently it was co-produced by Hugh Padgham, who did Police's Synchronicity. So, kind of an interesting connection there, since, as I said, I believe the other CD that I got is from the Police. But I've noticed a lot of these albums I've been getting lately have been very simple, kind of reflective disc like that on the plain back, or whatever you call that part of the CD case. But take a flip through the booklet now. And just in case I forgot, yeah, I showed the back because I pointed out that little write-up. Always have trouble remembering if I show the back detail of it. And honestly, there's a lot of times I overlook it myself. I mean, there's been a few CDs I've had in my collection where, like, I'll after listening to it multiple times, I'll finally notice the back art of it. Let's see. Interesting how that one was packed. There were these two loose pieces of cardboard in it, so that was a little bit odd. Okay, this is not what I was thinking it was going to be. This one arrived pretty quickly, too. Looks like it was resealed, but we have Sonic Youth's washing machine. So, got a couple Sonic Youth albums. Been meaning to get this one, so. I don't have any Sonic Youth t-shirts, so getting like a replica of their shirts here would be a cool thing to get, though. So, always like my disc to be right side up, but that's what we got going on in there. And photography going on here. So yeah, that's what I got today. Got more on the way. Going to some concerts soon, so I might get some footage. So yeah, I'll see you all around.